is to make sure you have the information to make the best possible buying decisions. Wigs are expensive, and it's great if you know what you're doing and you know your preferences before heading into a purchase. The first color I want to compare is that Butterbeer Blonde by Belle Tress. I have it here on Dalgona 16. This is a part of the Cafe collection. You will not find Butterbeer Blonde in the Lugs collection by Belle Tress, but these are similar enough. I think that if you like one, you'll probably like the other really well. So this Burnt Biscuit is going to have similar colors in it compared to the Butterbeer Blonde. So it appears to be like a neutral sandy blonde, and then it's heavily highlighted with a pale ash and gold blonde mix. Now with the Butterbeer Blonde, I really just see two colors. I see the sand and I see the platinum. And so I feel like this Burnt Biscuit is a little softer, a little creamier, and a little more dimensional compared to the Butterbeer. The root color is about the same, and I always learn something from my own side-by-sides too, because I can't really see in the camera. So we're gonna check out the root differences as well. And then the final piece that we're gonna compare today is Shaded Biscuit by Raquel Welch. This is my favorite Raquel Welch color of all time, probably always will be, but I love it. It's just beautiful, and it has enough neutral to warm shades in it to really appeal to me. I love that it's soft and creamy as well. So if I had to choose between Shaded Biscuit and Butterbeer Blonde, I would choose Shaded Biscuit. But if I had to choose between Shaded Biscuit and Burnt Biscuit, I don't know. I think it's a dead ringer. I think they're both very, very much the same, but we'll find out when we do our side-by-sides.